Hey there, I'm Kiley Bennett, and I'm the author of Super Simple Hand Lettering Projects, which comes out on May 12th. I'm so excited to release this book. It's the second book that I've done on lettering. The first book is called Super Simple Hand Lettering, which is a workbook to teach you how to do beautiful brush calligraphy in a lot of different styles. This book right here will teach you how to put that lettering skill into practice with all of the tutorials and really easy projects that are in this book. So I'm going to walk you through so you can see all the goodness that's in here. So let's go ahead, I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what's inside. When you pick up a copy of Super Simple Hand Lettering Projects for yourself, you will notice that we have a lot of beautiful images featuring the projects and the tutorials that are taught inside this book, which I absolutely love because images always help me to get really inspired and also to give you some styling tips as well for when you have your final projects completed. Just in case you're a little bit rusty with lettering, the first section of the book is a lettering refresh, so you can get back into practice, some tips on how to use a small and a large brush pen, as well as the types of pens that I use throughout this book, and there's some practice strokes included. When we move into the projects section, you can see that we have the projects divided up into sections. So there's seasonal sections, there's celebration sections, so you can learn to make place cards and signs for weddings. You can also create gift tags, Christmas ornaments, things that you see here that are just so easy to do with a brush pen and some cardstock. We also have some more fun projects like this awesome custom jean jacket that I made for myself, and also you can make tote bags, you can make canvas signs for birthday parties, and really custom things to celebrate the people in your life. And last but not least, in the final pages of the book, there are some templates for you to use to cut out some of the paper projects that are featured throughout Super Simple Hand Lettering Projects. So right now, Super Simple Hand Lettering Projects is available for pre-order, and it comes out on May 12th, and it is available online where books are sold. So I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this book, and I'm so excited to see what you make.